Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this LaraBar. This is the coconut cream, and we're going to do a quick taste test. These are on sale. I picked it up. There's only 5 ingredients it says, so and they're dairy free, vegan, you see that? So dates, dried coconut, and coconut oil. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, check that out guys, that's what it looks like. Do a quick taste test. This one's pretty good. You can really see the coconut in there. You can taste it as well. It has a very similar taste to all the other LaraBars, except this one has just a coconut aroma to it. So, and it's got a good chunk of coconut in there. Definitely check it out guys, one of my favorites. If you have any questions, comments below, subscribe to the channel.